Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today it's a sunny day in Melbourne and I decided to bring my house plants that I have inside the house for a sun bath, and also give them a little bit of water, and I'll introduce them to you. So here is my variegated peace lily, beautiful plant with variegation in there. I do have a little bit of sunburn here because I forgot to take it inside the house. And here is my snake plant. I leave this in my bedroom, so I'll give it a little bit of water. And down here is my rattlesnake calathea. I have that in my bedroom. This one is another calathea that I have in my bedroom. And introducing Hoya canosa. Give it a little bit of water there. And down here is my anthurium. This one gives a beautiful white flower. I have this in the lunchroom. And just down to this one here, I have a peace lily, beautiful foliage, green foliage down here. Give it a watering. And I have an anthurium that I have in my bedroom. Down here is my cast iron plant. This one I leave in the lunchroom as well. Very beautiful leaf there, beautiful leaves, green leaves. And down on this corner I have my calathea fasciata, very beautiful foliage there, that's in my bedroom as well. And Mr. Cupria is down here. It's got a little baby there, put some water. And just down here is my begonia. Beautiful, beautiful leaves, dark leaves there. I leave that in my kitchen sometimes. I bring that for a sun bath. And next to it is my pothos, snow queen pothos. Beautiful variegation there. That one stays in the lunchroom as well. And next to it is my mojito synconium, beautiful variegation. That one I put in the kitchen sometimes, and nice day for sun bath. And the last one, I have my variegated peperomia. These peperomia have like beautiful waxy-like leaves and very nice. When they flower, they have white flowers. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. You all have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye bye.